Yo, how we doing, guys? Friday, last day of the week. Markets are absolutely ripping, absolutely ripping. Could be an interesting session. Right, let's quickly have a butcher's at the news, which I don't think there is any. Yeah, no news to worry about now. FOMC member speaking later on tonight, but now to be concerned about. Just check this one quickly. Yeah, again, nothing to be concerned about. Cool. Cool. So I don't even know if that'll be a setup for me today. Already taken a long on the funded, short on the funded, sorry. Short from the previous day point of control. Bit of a frustrating morning. I was liking the look of longs down here. Got into one of the practice account. Entry around here somewhere. But I thought, well, I'll wait on the fundeds. I'll wait until we break through and then look for a break and retest of the previous day value area low. Never got the retest. Reluctantly took a short off the point of control. It was liking longs more than I was shorts, but got in there anyway. Took that, and then I was up for taking another long, which I'm not normally. I don't normally do 2 in a day, but I felt good about this level. Come about 3 ticks from being filled. Then we ran, and we haven't looked back since. So that's been my morning on the fundeds anyway. I've got an order set up on Nasdaq, but I don't know if it'll be a trade or not. If we take high a day, and we've already taken high a day, but if we take high after the market open, I won't be trading anyway. And then I might potentially looking to short on ES. What I'm thinking. Alright, let's dish a poll out. Short. There is some volatility in this market, isn't there? All right, 1 minute. 1 minute. Tack, I'll catch up with you in a sec, mate. I'm probably going to be taking a trade straight away, so trying to concentrate for a minute. All right, market is open. I'm in long. Didn't get the best entries on that. Yeah, entry needs to be at 703. Where we are now, so poor entry on that. That stopped out. Very annoying, that one. It flipped very quickly, didn't it? I was looking to short from the highs, basically. And yeah, this the last candle beforehand flipped. And yeah, my entry should have been... let me just double check. Yeah, entry should have been 704.50. So I mean, only 2 ticks lower, to be honest. So I don't think it would have made overly too much difference. No, I would still be in. I'd still be in. I'd have a 5-point stop loss. I'd still be in. Just. Stop loss would be at 699.50. Right, let's catch up on chat. Want to borrow 1,500 yesterday in the AM. Going to trade the AM, and if I win, I'll trade no afternoon. I don't take the afternoon. Okay, yeah. No trade this afternoon if I don't. Yeah, okay, nice one. So if you have a win this morning, you know trading it later on. That's good, man. That is good. There you go. Now I'd have been stopped out, so that's fine. That is fine. The NQ trade is still in play. Yeah, I'd much rather have been in shorts on this, but we was at my take profit, if you like, on the opening candle, so I sort of flipped it to be bullish, but it's not we're pulling back further. Came out yesterday in the afternoon, lost to 500. Oh mate, lost to 500. Then was up 700. Wanted 1,500 pass, then lost it. Blew the account, so I was up 1,500, then reset them twice and blew them up as well. So yeah, now I have no accounts. Jesus, man, that is not healthy behavior. I had to wait until today to reset the old ones, and I'm at my limit for the month already. Jesus. Stoney, good morning, mate. %, reckon longs today. Probably what I'm leaning towards, to be honest. That is what I'm leaning towards. Hopefully we get filled in the on the Nasdaq trade day before we go long. That'd be nice. It's only about a 50-point move down, I think. Chicken, how you doing, mate? I hope you're well. If you're not healthy, I'm done. Yeah, man. Plus 700 would have been nice. Now I have minus 700 and my real money buying it. Yeah. Let me reread this, man. So, came yesterday in the afternoon and lost to 500. Then I was up 700, but wanted 1,500 to pass it. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, being up 500 in the morning, mate, should be good enough. I was up 500 yesterday morning, and that was perfectly fine for me. How's your trading week been? A bit slow, to be honest, mate. Bit slow on the fundeds. I think I'm just up 1 hour for the week. Yeah, I had a loss on Monday. I've had 2 break-even trades, I think Tuesday and Wednesday. I don't tend to log the break-even ones because can't be asked. I don't have a break-even function on my journal, so I either have to put a win or a loss, and if it's break-even, I don't really see the point. So, but they both would have been winners. I sort of talked myself out of them. Then yeah, a win this morning. So break-even on the week, and up 1 hour on the month. Yeah, a bit slow, but cannot complain. Yeah, a bit of a frustrating morning. I was wanting to long from down here. Thought I'd wait until we break the level, look for a break and retest. Never got the retest. Reluctantly shorted from the previous day point of control. I say reluctantly because I was looking for longs more than shorts. Really like the look of a long from here, and I think it was about 3 ticks from entry before running that, which is a bit annoying. Nasdaq still pushing down. Come on, nice to get a second entry today. That's my change. Like you suggested, trade mornings and call it after that. But if I don't trade the AM, then I'll trade the afternoon. Okay, yeah. Hello, Lewis. Hello. How you doing, mate? Do you take pre-market trades sometimes? Yes, on the fundeds, I'll take that any time from basically just after London Open, all the way through to not quite market close, but getting that way. I don't like to sort of piss around too much during the last hour really of the market. One, it's like my bedtime, and two, it gets a bit weird, doesn't it, at that time sometimes. So on the challenge account I started yesterday, I only trade New York AM session. Literally first half an hour really for these two strategies. Had a win yesterday on it, which is a good start. Lost this morning. Good, how are you? Yes, mate, I'm not too bad, just living, vibing. Got 140 to pass, combine, so waiting like a hawk. I hate when it's a small number like that. The temptation just to take anything, just to get up that little bit of pocket change. Oh, Nasdaq's going without me. So yeah, if we take the profit target on Nasdaq, I'll that'll be no trade then. Yeah, frustrating about that ES trade because I was definitely preferring the idea of shorting it. But it sort of front run me a little bit. There is 10-9 hold. That's a combine pass. Nice, Lewis, mate. Nice. Smashed it. I'm going to activate it and get it rolling. The you can activate them straight away now, can't you, on top steps? Is that you you trade them today, will you now? Michael bought for the higher highs. Nice, mate, nice. Drop down to the 1 minute on NQ, I think. Custom take profit trader with your code. How do we get the data updated to real time again? What are you on? Are you on Trading View? It should do it automatically. As soon as you log in, it should do it automatically. If it's not, potentially just close out the browser, reopen it back up, relog back in. Hopefully that is enough to resell it. Yeah, like mine, literally just before the stream wasn't the updated data, the live data. I thought, oh shit, quick, because I was logged out, quickly logged in, and it updated it straight away. If you've literally just bought them, Taco, it might take 10 minutes or so, but yeah, I can activate. We'll see if I get an entry, but if I do, yeah. If not, I'll sit on my hands. Yeah, it's a good way to be, man. Good way to be. I mean, how early in the session are you normally in a trade? It's normally pretty quick, isn't it? I mean, I've no idea how you do it, but I'm assuming it's pretty quick. Which you quite often in the stream afterwards sometimes, isn't you? So. Got it yesterday. Yeah, I mean, it should be updated by now, mate. Potentially reach out to them. I'm sure it's always you that has issues. You had issues last time, didn't you? Did you had to reach out to him? Is that right? It must just be you, man. I haven't had that problem before. Maybe they don't like you. Whoa, there is a 1,000 contracts sitting at 702 on ES. Right here. Surely we've got to get a rejection off of that. No, literally times 10 what's sitting on the book at everywhere else. Usually first 20 to 30, 10 to 30, yeah. Logging out and in helped, but yeah, no, I don't know. Yeah, the only thing, if it's still not working, mate, the only thing I can suggest you'd have to reach out, because I'm sure you had this issue before, or someone did, at least anyway. And they reached out and they got it sorted, but obviously they had to wait for them to come back. It was some weird issue there, and yeah, 1,000 contracts just bought, I think. Yeah. There you go, there it is sitting there. There's another one down here as well. So yeah, some big aggressive buyers in this market. And now look at it go, Jesus. Heath, good morning. Happy trading. Cheers, mate. You too, man. Hope it all goes well for you today. Trying to figure out take profit traders where you got to stick with one prop. I mean, to be fair, man, I would say you're better off getting this stuff sorted out before market opens. You don't want to be fucking around trying to set accounts up during market open. You want it set up and ready to go prior to the open. Whoa. Alright, that trade invalidated. So I should be all out of my orders now. Let's double check. Cancel, 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 cancelled, filled. Nice. So yeah, lost on the day then on the challenge account today. It's a bit of a weird day I feel like today. Very volatile leading up to the open. And yeah, sort of I was preferring the idea of shorting it, and it sort of front run me by a minute. At which point I then flipped long. But yeah, we didn't get the support early enough, so took the loss. We're back at the previous day value high, so we're either going to blast through this or reject off of it. I think we'll probably blast through, to be honest. Don't feel like there's any reason now for it to come back down. We've hit 5 foot in a day. Nice taco. Put the trend line again. An aggressive fake out, then move. I think. Do you reckon? What, fake out to the downside or fake out to the outside, upside? I just bought top step it. X accounts and linked them in 2 minutes. Top step is top of the prop chain, those make sense. Yeah, I mean, with accounts set up, they've got the instant dashboard and stuff now, aren't they? So yeah, it's definitely better for that sort of stuff, man. I mean, I've always found Take Profit Trader very instant for the challenges. I've never had a funded account with them yet, so still don't know that, but I imagine it's a day or so to get that set up. But on a top step now, it's instant in it, so you can do it instantly. So definitely outbeats everyone there, I think. That's two bullish orders, surges, seen both on the 1 minute. Yes. Fair enough, haven't we? I might look to do a break and wrong one. Break and retest of the value area high if we're looking good. Okay, man. How you doing, fella? What do we reckon, boys? Are we shorting from here or are we longing from here? Sellers are stepping up a little bit. But I mean, I feel like size-wise, the buyers are still on top of the minute. This is no man's land. Yeah, this is where the battle's going on, man. I don't know. The battle will be won by someone, and they'll move forward. I'm going buyers. I feel like sellers have stepped in a little bit and buyers have slowed down a little bit, but I don't think the sellers have got the I don't feel like the sellers have got the juice at the minute. There isn't the size there really to be doing much damage, I don't think. And I think the buyers will step back in. There's about 300 sitting at 615. So I think we'll push up to there and absorb that, I would have said. We're still in. We're still in. No, we're slowly falling down, aren't we? Buyers aren't here right now. Got me stopped out, I think. Short was the play then. I don't know. I just thought we might have just blasted through there, but there we go, out on that one. Slowed up too much yet. Sub 85 and I'm looking short boss in the 50-minute yet. See how it reacts. Flying down now. Go back and evaluate where I went wrong there. To be fair, this candle here is a bit of a warning sign. Delta clearly winning on the buyer's side, but it was a red candle. There's a possibility that buyers step back in around the 700s. There's some big players around this area, didn't we? 702, 699. Support refreshed off me. Oh, nice, mate. That was pretty quick, to be fair. That was pretty quick. So I think during the US opening hours, I think they are pretty quick. See, I mean, you missed half an hour, but nothing too major. Boom, boom. I've no data or bars on my Tradeify even after I click go to current bar. If on Tradeify, mate, close it out completely and reopen it. Tradeify is a bit funny sometimes. If you make a change, you sometimes have to completely close it down and reopen it. I've had it before where I've added the you know, the free order flow indicators. If you add it while it's open, sometimes it doesn't just automatically open. You've got to completely close it out. Yeah, not trading anything here. It's me done nice, Lewis, mate. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Bit of a messy day, really, isn't it? Down, up, down, up. It was very nice price action this morning, I found. I think I managed to get about 2.5 out of this, which was unheard of for me these days. I want to be heading off a little bit earlier today, boys. We're doing a dinner out with some family. So we're shooting off maybe 15-20 minutes.
This is the best of me.
Just put a little limit buy on the practice account, just below the 700s. I think if we do pop down there, I think we'll pop up pretty quick. Yeah, Tradeify actually is arse. Yeah, been realizing this. Yeah, it's not amazing. Play cookies and catch, and the lady is helping me in the screen. There's black, no candles. Might be a stupid question, Taco, but you're definitely not like zoomed right in or anything. I assume you've cancelled out of it and reopened it. Got it now, but missed another trade. Just blatantly zoomed right in. As soon as I said that, problem's solved. Doesn't matter that you miss trades though, mate. Don't rush into something else. Make sure you take your time, find something perfect. Don't just take anything because you think you've missed some stuff. One thing I don't like about the Table for Traders, they don't have practice accounts, do they? I like that you get a practice account with Top Step, so you can just mess around on there with stuff. I think it's always good and healthy to be able to mess around. Yeah, we're heading out for dinner in a bit. I'm going to get a nice juicy burger. I'm so predictable. Anytime we go out for any kind of food, I'll always get a burger. I'll always get a burger. Play it safe. I'm a pretty plain, simple guy. And I'm pretty satisfied with a burger, so. I always get a mixed grill. Yeah, man, you can't go wrong, I don't think, with a burger, can you? You can't go wrong with a burger. Come on, have a great weekend. Enjoy your trading. See you later, Lewis, mate. See you later. Enjoy your weekend, mate. And yeah, good week, man. Good week. Fair play. And I'll see you next week if you're around, man. That's mega expensive. Yeah, I mean, I never go anywhere posh enough for it to be too expensive. To be fair though, the place that we're going, I mean, you'll have to let me know your opinion on this. They put mayonnaise in a beef burger, which I think is just plain wrong. I feel like mayonnaise should be reserved for chicken burgers. Beef should be barbecue or ketchup or something, I think. It just completely ruins the whole experience of a burger, of a beef burger. And I was absolutely flabbergasted when I saw that they did it. I've never known anyone to put mayonnaise in a bloody beef burger. Apparently, I think it's pretty common. I thought it was outrageous. And Mackey's put mayo in chicken burgers normally. I don't think they put any mayo in beef burgers. Not any of the normal ones anyway. Some of the maybe the odd special one that they do, but I mean, love or hate McDonald's, they've sold more burgers than anyone else ever has, so they should know the rules for it. Chatbot does not like me today. Where's every kind of make us flat? I shouldn't have any moderation. It must be YouTube, it's not. Which I don't think I have any control over. Are you swearing, or is it just... On my end, it just says message retrace. It doesn't say that I've, like... It seems like you've deleted it from my end. Yeah, I normally don't have anything set up because I don't really care. If people want to swear, they can swear. Yeah, sorry if it's blocking you, mate. I assume you're just as outraged by mayonnaise in a beef burger as I am, and you're swearing about it. Digging into the settings, see if I can see any moderation stuff. Choose if and how you want to show comments. Moderation basic. Let's take off all moderation. Yeah, at the minute it's whole potentially inappropriate comments. So you're obviously saying something very inappropriate, chicken. Well, I've just changed it to none, so hopefully that improves things for you, mate. You can all freely abuse me now. Say what you really think. You're having a stroke. I like cheese and spice burger, yeah? Yeah, cheeseburgers are good. I'm not that much of a fan of spicy burgers, to be honest. I'm not that much of a fan of spicy stuff. Made 500 on top steps, that's good for me. Nice one, Taco. Oh, we are slowly creeping down to the 700s. Challenge accepted. Talked about curry and burgers, maybe that's against YouTube policies, I don't know. Probably, I wouldn't even be surprised. I wouldn't even be surprised. Curry and a burger? Nah, I don't agree with that, mate. I think that's wrong. Potentially gonna get filled on this practice trade. We'll see, we'll see. Bratwurst burgers are good. I don't know if I've ever had one of them. Yeah, I've had a hot dog of them, I think, but never a burger. I imagine it'd be quite nice, to be fair. Oh, I didn't get filled on that, did I? Couple of ticks out. It might come back. Yeah, I might do the pulled pork burger today. That's normally quite nice. I think I can't remember if they do it or not. To be honest, they used to. But I think I'm gonna have to call it, lads. I was hoping that we could get filled on this, but I need to go out. Still potentially could come down and fill it, but we'd only be looking for something small off of there. Right, that's the week over then. So I am break even on the week on the funded. 1 win, 1 loss, 2 break evens. I am basically break even on this new challenge account that I started yesterday. I had win yesterday, lost today, and I'm down $45 on that. And I think that's pretty much it, isn't it? Hopefully we have a really good week next week on the challenge account, doing the new strategies. And yeah, fingers crossed we have a good week on the funders as well. So I'm gonna go and enjoy my weekend, go and get some food. And yeah, I'll be back Monday, normal time. And yeah, have a good weekend, all. Cheers for stopping by, and take it easy if you're still trading. Yeah, I'll see you on Monday. Have a good one, guys. See you later.